welcome to Sheo Electricals. In today's video we are going to look at one of the top-rated electrical switches. Modular switches are of two models: Special 7 switches and Slim Z switches. Both switches are available in white and grey. Cover plates are available in 5 models: Platina plates, Tint plates, Turbo plates, Turbochrome plates, Woodcraft plates. Let's now see all the models available in Platina plates. Glossy plates includes two colors. First one is classic white and the second one is Intel ivory. Next model is metallic plates which has graphite grey. And the last model is wood plates which has almond wood, teak wood and black oak. Lisha Platina Glossy Classic White Plate, Lisha Platina Glossy Intel Ivory Plate, Lisha Platina Metallic Graphite Grey Plate, Lisha Platina Almond Wood Plate, Lisha Platina Teak Wood Plate, Lisha Platina Black Oak Plate. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and share my channel.